Hey everybody! Naisy Dolar's running for alderman. Hey! I want a hat. Hey, I got a Naisy Dolar hat. Hi Naisy, I'm gonna vote for you.
Hey, if you're voting for Naisy Dolar, so am I. I like this hat. It keeps my ears really warm. Hi, Naisy. Meow. Hi. I'm gonna vote for Naisy Dolar. I'm really rich. Meow.
Hey, how you doing? I'm not gonna monkey around. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm voting for Naisy Dolar, and that's all I gotta say. Hey Naisy, how you doing? Hey, I hope you help all the animals in the 50th Ward, Naisy. I like you. I think you're pretty. Thanks, Naisy. Oh, that tickles.